It is up to us not to comply, yet have compassion towards others no matter where they are at on their evolutionary path of consciousness. Every day I must reinforce my resolve to move forward on my evolutionary path towards the new species. From hell on earth to paradise on earth. We are building what many said was impossible. The evolution of how we create and travel starts here. Please consider joining us in our consciousness community at the edge of the town of Popayán in southern Colombia. This is an invitation for long-term stay at Cascada Café Retiro in Colombia. The insanity continues to intensify, and there is no end in sight. I believe that now there are individuals who are ready to leave their country of origin, but just don't know where to start. There is absolutely nowhere to hide. Having said that, in Popayán there is good food growth throughout the year. The temperate mountain climate is 22 to 26 degrees Celsius during the day and 13 to 18 degrees Celsius at night. And it is like this all year round, which makes life very comfortable here. Please share this information with your friends and loved ones. Uprooting yourself is certainly not for everyone. I have the possibility of making this difficult process just a little bit easier. There is a guest house for long-term stay while you're looking for property of your own. Pets are welcome, and there is internet. The airport, the bus station, and the city are only 13 kilometers away. Will you join us in this paradise on earth? We welcome all conscious individuals. If your soul is pushing you forward, please consult www.freedomtravelalliance.com. I consult by phone and offer tools so that you can find your individual solution by making contact with your soul. Please share my videos so that this information can reach the people who need it. My contact details are in the description below, as well as the link to Cascada Café Retiro and my website. Finally, please subscribe to my other 3 channels, BitChute, Odyssey, and Crowdbunker. All of my videos are not available on YouTube. Infinite love.